Hi, my dear friends. Favorite student will talk each other about the conversation in Bangla and English. So let's start your conversation.
Hi Sadia,
Hello, Apu.
I have some question. Can you answer me the question?
Oh yeah, of course. Why not? You are my elder sister, so anytime you some question. So please.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hi everyone, myself Musrajahan Tamanna, and recently I have passed my SSC examination. In my exam I got GPA 5. বক বক করো না,
Don't settle.
আস্তে কথা বলো,
Speak slowly.
হাত তোলো,
Hands up.
বসে পড়ো,
Sit down.
দেরি করো না,
Don't delay.
বাড়ি যাও।
Go home.
তার আগে
Before that,
তোমার পালা।
your turn.
খুব ভালো,
Very well.
এটা অকেজো।
It's useless.
দ্রুত দৌড়াও,
Run fast.
তাড়াতাড়ি এসো,
Come fast.
সংক্ষেপে বলো,
Speak briefly.
বেশি না,
Not much.
অবশ্যই এসো,
Must come.
ত্যাগ করো না,
Don't sacrifice.
দুটো নাও,
Take two.
ভান করো না,
Don't pretend.
এটা ধরো,
Hold it.
নড়বে না,
Don't move.
কথা বন্ধ করো,
Stop talking.
ওখানে যাও,
Go there.
এখনই যাও,
Go now.
আবার এসো,
Come again.
সাবধান হও।
Be careful.